This is a one-way ticket for me, pal.
What?
We had enough astrophage to get here, but not enough to get back.
So what happened, Grace? Question.
Oh, I got enough food to last me at least a couple years.
So Grace died? Question?
Yeah, once we're done, we're gonna die.
Grace, say Grace, go home. How much astrophage you need?
2 million kilograms.
I can give. I go 6 years slower.
Rocky watched crew die, could not fix. Grace say Grace will die. Rocky fix. Grace go home.